What's up, guys? This is Qhaos, Qhaos, and very new to YouTubing and making videos, but I've decided to get into it, and I'm not gonna talk too much about myself just yet because this video is specifically for my helmet setup. I'm not gonna be showing you how to set it up, but I'm gonna be doing this video basically on my choice of equipment for this specific setup. Bunch of GoPro things right here, and there's a few main items here that I've watched and learned and researched on YouTube from a lot of the more popular guys on here. So I went out and got this microphone. It's a purple Panda. Came with a nice little suede dust bag and a few little things in here, a few little plugs and adapters and clamps. I guess it's a longer one to this one. It comes with a little fluffy mic thingy majig that covers the mic. It's supposed to block out wind. This is the microphone. Also comes with a clamp on it, and then it comes with a second mic covering. Also, I went out, the purple Panda microphone was maybe $35–40. This GoPro microphone connector is about $59. Apparently it's needed to help with the quality. And then I already put this on, but this is a chin mount from Ride Tech. Hope you can see that. Ride Tech Motos, I think they're based in Canada. And basically, if you have an AGV helmet or if you want one, you may have noticed that their chins is a little pointy. So Ride Tech came out with a chin mount that sits on the chin flush, and it saves you from building up this entire thing of GoPro connections to bring your GoPro in front of you. Of course, I have GoPro here, and that's gonna be my setup for right now. By no means I am not promoting any of these equipments here. I'm not paid for them either. They're just my choice for my setup, so I'm just showing you that. All right, so stay tuned. I don't know how to set it up exactly, so I'm gonna have to watch the video again on YouTube. And again, this video is not for how to set up. This is just my setup. But bear with me, I'm gonna go watch this video, set this thing up, and then I'll show you a second video maybe, or I'll continue it later, of what the setup is like and how I like it. Alright, so stay tuned. Qhaos. And I know I came up with a name for my YouTube channel, which is Qhaos on Two Wheels. Makes sense. It's kind of different from my Instagram. My Instagram is just _Qhaos with a Q, by the way. This is Qhaos with a Q. But yeah, that's gonna be the name of the YouTube channel. So start getting ready to check in. I'm one of the new guys, so I'm probably not gonna have none of the fun videos just yet. Plus, I'm also trying to come up with different things than what the other guys are doing, because you know everybody's doing the same thing: wheelie tutorials, how to ride a bike for the first time, crashes, mistakes new riders make, blah blah blah. I want to do something different, and even if I relay the same information, I also want it to be slightly different. This video is just a continuation of the first video that I made about the helmet setup. It's not a how to set up the helmet, but just my specific choice of items that I put into that helmet. So this is just a quick review of the status it's at right now. Of course, I got a haircut since the last video, and that's why I look slightly different. But anyway, so this is the helmet. It's AGV K1. I literally just came back from picking up this visor here. It's the Aethidium, something like that, blue. I was torn between the gold and the blue, but everybody I've asked their opinion thought the blue looked better. Plus, they said it might match my bike. My bike is the blue Yamaha R6 2019. And yeah, so I went with the blue. I think it looks pretty nice, especially when the sun hits it. And then I got the GoPro attached. This is an Eero 5. It's older, but it works very well. Like I said, I put the chin mount on there from Ride Tech Motos. That works well. I ran with it last night. It ran well. This is the microphone adapter from GoPro for like 60 bucks. I was having a little issue getting it on there, so I tried to glue it with some super glue, and it kind of came out a little nasty and tacky, you know, just right around the edges. It's just a little as you can see, it's just really white looking, which is kind of ugly, but I'm still working on that, trying to see what I can do. I don't want to mess my helmet up too much. And then this is the adapter from the purple Panda, which is in here. I ran it behind all of this stuff and came back around to the front where you can see the microphone covered with the little muff fur ball thingy, my jig. So this is what it came up to. I'm considering if I want to put the center. I'll probably put it on this side. If I do put a center on, it's going to be on this side. And if I do put any kind of Bluetooth headset here, it will be a center. I know they're a little expensive, but I'll save for it. So far, it's the only one that I actually see that I like. I've been watching other reviews on other ones, and I guess the center is the more popular one, I guess. So I guess I'll go with that one. I don't necessarily need the newest center, but as long as it connects with other riders. I don't have any riding buddies yet, but anyway, guys, this is what it turned out to be. If you like it, tell me what you think. If you would have done anything different, also tell me what you would have done different. And thank you for watching my video. I'm gonna ask you to subscribe like everybody else. Obviously, we want you to subscribe. Like the video if you like it. If you don't like it, throw a thumbs down. That's fine too. But drop a comment. Let me know what you think about the helmet. I'm new to YouTube videos, so if you got any questions, feel free to drop me some comments and whatever. I'll be coming out with videos. Make it fun. You know, it's just for fun. It's nothing else. Ride safe and see you next video.
Whoa, whoa, yeah. Sometimes we